Ever tried concocting your own chemical-free floor cleaner? In this brief video, we'll explain how you can craft a superior floor cleaner using just 3 ingredients in under a minute. Not only does it effectively clean floors, but it also leaves your house smelling delightful. Chances are you already have all the necessary ingredients at home, but even if you don't, they're affordable and readily accessible, so let's dive in. To begin, you'll need half a liter of warm water, into which you'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. Wondering why salt? Salt serves as a natural abrasive, aiding in the removal of stubborn stains and dirt, while its antibacterial properties contribute to surface cleanliness. Next, add 100 ml of vinegar, renowned for its floor cleaning prowess as a natural solvent for fats and impurities, along with its antibacterial properties, which ensure surface disinfection. The acidity of vinegar also helps eliminate scale and mineral deposits, leaving floors shiny and pristine. The final ingredient is optional: mint or lavender essential oil. This addition, according to personal preference, offers multiple benefits. Lavender's pleasant aroma infuses freshness into the room, while its antimicrobial properties aid in floor cleaning and disinfection. Moreover, lavender induces a sense of relaxation and tranquility. Simply add a few drops, mix thoroughly, and dilute the mixture with 5 liters of warm water. It's now ready for use. In just 1 minute, you've created the ultimate chemical-free floor cleaner. Wet your cloth and start cleaning. Dear friends, we'd appreciate it if you shared this video with your friends and subscribed to our channel. Thank you for your support.